Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I have Happy Mail, and I'm very excited about it. I think I know what it is. It's from Shauna Conan, who is Unique 37 US. She is the gal on Instagram, especially, with the beautiful dolls that look like human beings. They're dressed to the nines. Hi, Marna. I did not forget. These were all they had left. These go pretty fast. I hope you enjoy them. They make awesome doll props. Your friend, Shauna. She is so kind. I have met her. Wow! Holy smokes! I thought there was one in here. I have met Shauna in person, mostly online. Oh my God, these are so cute. She had these, I don't know if it was last year, I think. She found these, I think, at Michael's. And she said, if they have them again, I'll send you one. Well, I didn't think too much of it. Oh my goodness. Look what she sent me. Ayla Avar is going to love this little weenie dachshund. Oh, you know who this is for? This is for The Moon is Made of Cheese. That poor thing's still got to get her little outfit made. I've been so busy. Let's get her standing up. Oh, that's adorable. And a llama, llama. Deron and I not only had llamas, we trained them. Someday I should tell the llama story, how we got them all and how we got them all free. 14 llamas. We not only had them, we trained them. We trained them to pull a pony cart. I made the harness and the packs. We taught them to pack. We used to take them in the woods. We'd pack up lunch and go out on the trail and have lunch, and the llamas would pick up all the burrs and the long fur. But I got them because I actually spun their wool. We cut their hair, and Deron made me a drop spindle. And yeah, I used to actually do that sort of thing. And then I would crochet items out of it. Shauna, I cannot thank you enough for each and every one. They are absolutely adorable. Look at the little Boston Terrier. Oh, they're so cute. And that is for The Moon is Made of Cheese. Thank you for watching. Please go by and see Shauna's channel and look for her on Instagram. I will leave those, well, some of it's in the title, and I'll leave the rest in the description. I brought out Against All Odds. Is this not the most lovely face? Those eyes, oh my. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
The mouse is my favorite.
The mouse is so cute. That's going to be so cute with The Moon is Made of Cheese.